If finally understand that Com buys 100 computers for total cost $6,789, what is the cost of each computer? We have total cost and we know that they bought 100 computers, so we have to do division. We have to divide the total cost as $6,789, and we don't have the cents, so we can write decimal point 0 cents. We have to divide by how many computers they bought? 100. So this is equal, we have division. So when we have division, we have to move decimal point, and we divide by power of 10. We have to move decimal point to the left, of course, because we have division. And how many places? We have 2 zeros, so we move 2 places to the left. So the cost of one computer will be 6,7.89. So the cost will be, we don't have to write the zeros at the end, so will be $67.89. This is the cost of one computer.